Hi friends, how are you? Hope all are fine. So, welcome to my channel. So, today I'll be giving you a detailed description over a very good product, a very good food I can tell, called Herbalife Cell Activator. As you can see on my screen, this product, I can tell it's as a food, which is very good. What are the usage, what it is, how it's been used, and who's not to be taken, we shall see on today. Friends, what do we mean by cell activator? Cell activator is nothing but it's a source of having vitamins A, which will convert the food into energy and supports into the energy metabolism and in the production. This also helps even in the weight management program as a part of busy, active or sporty lifestyle. So Herbalife Cell Activator is very good to lose weight, as the product does not contain any ingredients that will burn fat nor will reduce over your appetite. The only thing cell activator may do is to increase your energy levels, which can be useful. This will lead to an active lifestyle or regularly workout. So this, how it's been used, what is its MRP and who should be taken, how it's been consumed. You want more details, please contact the below number. You can call, WhatsApp or you can message. I will directly talk to you and give you still more information regarding Herbalife, the foods, the various foods are with us which are natural, no calories, no added sugars, no preservatives, no artificial flavors. It's all natural, it's approved, and the many scientists and doctors have been worked behind this. And this will also make your hunger, it will make you hunger, it will also make your metabolism to work very well. So this cell activator Herbalife is also promotes the cellular energy production. It is also very good absorption of nutrients, and it also includes the ingredients with antioxidant activity to support the healthy aging also. So this will also gives you a more relaxation, a health, a glow. It also helps into weight reduction. It will also formulate you a good blood corpuscles, and it also helps you to boost your energy in a day. So what else we need more than this, right friends? So this capsule is packed with selected botanicals and nutrients. It contains a important antioxidant called ALA, that is alpha lipoic acid. This antioxidant helps to support general well-being and healthy aging. So this also contains aloe, it also contains lipstick, it also contains some of the antioxidants which will make your aging healthy, and it will also help your age to get a good metabolic rate. So coming to serving, we have to take 2 tablets in a day with shake or meal, not to exceed, and it's been daily usage and not for medicinal use. It's not recommended for children, pregnant or lactoxic women shouldn't take this. If you are under any diagnosis, please consult your physician. If you are under any treatment, any cure, any diseases, please consult your physician and you can approach this. So today's pandemic situation, you all know friends how much we have been fighting over our health, over our personal care, over our overall our health well-being, right? So this makes our energy to boosten up, this makes our metabolic rate to get increased, this also makes our a kind of relaxation, and it also activates the cells even. So this, I can tell you, a weight loss, it's a very guaranteed product, and I personally been using from last 1 week, and it's a very good results, no doubt in that, no side effects. So Formula 3 Cell Activator helps to support your body nutrients absorption process. It activates your cell, helps in the Herbalife weight gain, weight loss program, and this supplement is also very good to nourish the cells and give optimal metabolic growth. So any information further, please contact the below number. Thank you.